BMA Limited secures major 2,501 crore rupees contract from Chennai Metro Rail Limited for comprehensive metro rolling stock design, manufacture, supply, and maintenance. Borosil Limited transfers tenancy rights of Worli, Mumbai premises for 13.45 crore rupees to Andromeda Facility Management LLP and Calypso XM LLP. Chinese yuan poised to hit record lows as US tariff threats escalate, according to investment bank forecasts and LSEG data. Centrum Broking Sumit Gupta places strategic bets on Sun Pharma and Dr. Reddy's, highlighting their growth potential and market strength. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories launches toripalimab in India, pioneering immuno-oncology treatment for nasopharyngeal carcinoma. Stocks reaching new peaks include Bliss GVS Pharma and Deep Industries, while Alliance Ent and Inditrade Capital hit new lows. Fresh 52-week highs were achieved by stocks such as Bliss GVS Pharma, Chennai Multi, VTM Limited, the Indian Wood Products Company, and Deep Industries, while stocks like Alliance Ent, Inditrade Capital, Tejasvi Aharam, PSIT Infra, and Srasta Finvest touched their new 52-week lows during the session. Is India back on the foreign institutional investors' shopping list? Over 11,000 crore rupees in stock purchases in just 3 days reflects renewed investor confidence. KEC International secures orders worth 1,704 crore rupees from Power Grid Corporation for design, supply, and installation of 765 kV transmission lines in GIS substations. Life Insurance Corporation of India increases stake in Patanjali Foods Limited to 5.020% of paid-up capital, reinforcing its commitment to the company's growth. Most searched stocks this week, IRFC and Suzlon Energy dominate investor interest with notable price movements and trading volumes. NBCC, India, Limited signs Maovad Hudko for development of 10-acre institutional plot at Noida Sector 62 as project management consultant. New 52-week highs for Soma Textiles, Kriti Nutrients, Indo-Cordspan, Adani Gas, and Transfreight as stocks surge over 15%. Soma Textiles, Kriti Nutrients, Indo-Cordspan, Adani Gas, and Transfreight were among the stocks that surged over 15%, reaching new 52-week highs in the market. Number of women tax filers increases by 25.3% in 4 years, reflecting growing financial inclusion and economic participation. Nuvama initiates, by recommendations on Electronics Mart and Aditya Vision, citing their effective growth strategies and strong market positions. Oceanic Foods resolves SEBI case over disclosure lapses with settlement payment of 12.22 lakh rupees, addressing regulatory compliance issues. Patel's Airtemp, India, settles disclosure violation case with SEBI for 28.53 lakh rupees, addressing alleged violations and ensuring compliance. Retin India Enterprises commences operations in Sri Lanka, expanding its professional services footprint in the region. Sudarshan Chemical shares in focus after promoters sell 3% stake via block deals following agreement to acquire Germany's Hubach Group. Vedanta plans major $2 billion investment in Saudi copper projects, aiming to strengthen global resource development and strategic expansion. Vietjet Thailand partners with RateGain's AirGain platform to enhance fare precision and market leadership through advanced pricing intelligence. Vari Renewable Technologies Limited secures 1,233.47 crore rupees work order for execution of engineering, procurement, and construction of 2012.47 MW PDC ground mount solar PV project.